In this video, I'll show you how to get Microsoft Planner on desktop. Microsoft Planner is part of Microsoft 365, and it is mainly used through a web browser or inside Microsoft Teams. There is not always a separate traditional desktop app called Microsoft Planner that you install like Word or Excel, but you can still access Planner easily from your desktop in a few simple ways. First, open your web browser on your computer, such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or another browser you normally use. Go to Microsoft 365 and sign in with your work or school account. Make sure this is the same account that has access to Planner. Once you are signed in, open the app launcher. This is usually the 9-dot menu in the top left corner. From the list of apps, look for Planner. If you see it, click it to open Microsoft Planner in your browser. If Planner does not appear right away, use the search box in Microsoft 365 and type Planner. You may also see it listed as Planner and To Do, depending on your Microsoft 365 setup. Another way to use Planner on desktop is through Microsoft Teams. Open the Teams desktop app, then go to Apps and search for Tasks by Planner and To Do. Add it to Teams, then open it from the left menu. This lets you manage planner tasks and personal to-do tasks in one place. If you want faster access from your desktop, you can create a shortcut. Open Planner in your browser, then use your browser menu to create a desktop shortcut or install the site as an app. In Microsoft Edge, you can usually choose Apps, then install this site as an app. This creates a Planner-style app window that opens from your desktop or Start menu. You can also pin Planner to your taskbar. After creating the shortcut or installing it as an app, right-click the icon and choose Pin to Taskbar. This makes Planner easier to open whenever you need it. If you cannot access Planner, your Microsoft 365 plan may not include it, or your organization may have disabled it. In that case, contact your Microsoft 365 admin and ask whether Planner is available for your account. That's how to get Microsoft Planner on desktop using Microsoft 365, Teams, or a browser shortcut. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.